So that brings me to marketing plan. Now, this does not have to be fancy, but you might want to create some buzz with an early bird special. I got a lot of signups with an early bird special, and then after a certain date, we had to raise the price of the camp for those last minute folks. And you can advertise your camp on social media. You can do it through a blog. You can do it through flyers. I made up some flyers and took them to my local Starbucks, and they had a bulletin board, and I just put it there. Um, we had some online bulletin boards that we advertised on for pretty cheap, and you could tell the schools about it. There are so many ways to get the word out, but you're going to want to get it out to as many people as possible, and especially market to your current studio. This is so important. Your current studio's word of mouth will help you. And those are just such some wonderful times with your current students.